Do you know Katiki Waterfall, one of the hidden treasures of Andhra Pradesh, lies near Araku Valley, surrounded by lush greenery hill and dense forest. This waterfall looked like a scene straight out of dream. The journey to Katiki itself is an adventure with rocky path, small stream and fresh forest air leading you to the surrounded by rushing water. As you walk closer, the roar of the falls grows louder, and then it's appear cascading beautifully from about 50 feet high, shining under the sunlight. The water here flow from the Kustani River, cool and crystal clear. It's a perfect spot to dip your feet, take a deep breath, and feel the calmness of nature.